We just took a short position in the euro to the US dollar using the VMS 2.0 strategy. I'm going to explain what we did to you and why we did it. With the VMS 2.0, the first thing we're looking for is structure on a 4-hour chart. That's absolutely first. So what we see here is a shooting star setup. We have the shooting star candle here. We have a large engulfing candle right here. That's the structure. Now we're looking for momentum. So we come to, again, the 4-hour chart. Momentum needs to be divergent and in the same direction as what we want to go. So we have a high here and we have a lower high right here. And let me bring this line over. And you can see that that's what it is right there. It is divergent. Then we go to the daily chart, and the daily chart on momentum needs to be in our direction, in our favor, at least not strong against us. So you would not take this market to the upside just because of this right here. That momentum is hooking down, and on a daily chart, it's really strong. So this is a strong down signal on the daily chart. And then lastly, the last thing that we're looking for is volume. We want to see that people are actually getting in this market and selling it. And so on the 4-hour chart, we have 70, which is not too bad, but it's not what we want. We want a little bit better than that. So if you look right here and down here at this bar, you see over here it's at 91. Look right at that second number there. Where you at? There you are. So you see it's at 91, and on a 1 hour it was hooking down 2, but that's not one of the rules. So we've got our volume, our momentum, and our structure. When we come into a trade, we use the positioning tool on TradingView, and let's see if I can grab this. I don't want to mess up. Well, I guess I could just move that. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how I place my stop loss. The ATR, average true range. You take the positioning tool where your stop loss wants to be, and you go to the top of the swing high. Look over, I've got 1825. Look down at the ATR, I've got another 22 on that. So I need to be at about 47 or so. And so we'll just put it back up there. Now, so that's how we decide our stop loss. And I get rid of this because it takes up too much screen. And so now, where do we think our profit target's going to be? So if we're looking at this trade, the next support resistance zone is right in this area. And so that's where we have our profit target set. And that's how we do it, guys. Well, hang on a second. So now we have our stop loss, we have our profit target. You have to determine whether you're going to take a market order or if you're going to do a limit order. And it's all based on once you set your stop loss, that's concrete, man. You don't move that. That ATR on top of that swing high is it. Don't move it. But the next one down here at your profit target, when you look at your profit target, if it makes sense, then that's when you're looking for that 2 point or the 2 to 1 RR. Risk to reward. And so with us, at the time that we got in, the market was right there. It was right at what we're comfortable with. And so it was a market order. And okay, well, hopefully this helps. If you want to go a little bit deeper into this, we do have a free download. It's a VMS 2.0 cheat sheet, and I'll leave the link in the description.